Customers ask, the Japanese automaker delivers. That's how the 2026 Mazda CX-90 solves every owner complaint. With every model year, Mazda continues to perfect its flagship SUV, and this model year is no exception. Although subtle, they definitely make the difference, and that's why this is the best CX-90 yet. Let's check it out. Class-leading driving experience. The 2026 CX-90 establishes itself as a genuinely premium vehicle that rivals luxury brands at a fraction of the cost. Central to this transformation is Mazda's commitment to longitudinally mounted engines paired with their sophisticated rear-wheel drive-based all-wheel drive system. This engineering approach fundamentally changes how the CX-90 behaves on the road. Unlike transverse mounted setups found in mainstream competitors, this configuration delivers superior weight distribution and a lower center of gravity. The result is an SUV that handles corners with the precision of a sports sedan, while maintaining the comfort and composure expected from a 3-row family hauler. Mazda's traditional chassis excellence shines through every aspect of the driving experience. The suspension tuning strikes an incredible balance between athleticism and refinement. Sharp turns reveal minimal body roll, while highway cruising remains whisper quiet and supremely comfortable. This level of driving dynamics simply doesn't exist among similarly priced mainstream competitors. The steering feel deserves special recognition. It's weighted perfectly, providing genuine feedback from the road surface without becoming tiresome during long drives. Whether navigating tight parking lots or carving through mountain roads, the CX-90 responds with confidence-inspiring precision that makes every journey enjoyable. Spacious and practical. Previous Mazda models suffered from a glaring weakness, inadequate interior space. Buyers constantly complained about cramped rear seats and insufficient cargo capacity. The CX-90 completely eliminates these concerns with thoughtful packaging that maximizes every cubic inch. Third-row access has been dramatically improved. The second-row seats now slide and tilt forward with effortless precision, creating a genuinely usable pathway to the back. Adults can actually fit back there comfortably for shorter trips, while children will find plenty of room for longer journeys. Behind the third row, you'll find 16 cubic feet of luggage space, enough for several carry-on bags or a week's worth of groceries. Fold down the rear seats and storage expands to an impressive 75 cubic feet. This puts the CX-90 on competitive footing with established leaders like the Honda Pilot and Toyota Highlander. The second row offers exceptional comfort regardless of configuration. Captain's chairs provide luxurious accommodations with heating, ventilation, and plenty of legroom. Even the bench seat option maintains generous space for 3 passengers. Tri-zone climate control ensures everyone stays comfortable regardless of seating position. Practical storage solutions are scattered throughout the cabin. Cup holders, device charging ports, and small item storage have been strategically placed for maximum convenience. The center console features deep storage bins that can accommodate larger items without interfering with daily operations. Next-level cabin luxury. Budget-conscious SUV buyers have long accepted cheap-looking interiors as an inevitable compromise. The CX-90 shatters this expectation with cabin quality that rivals vehicles costing $20,000 more. Premium materials dominate every surface. Soft-touch plastics replace the hard, hollow-feeling components found in mainstream competitors. Nappa leather upholstery and higher trims feels supple and looks sophisticated. Real aluminum trim accents catch the light beautifully while maintaining a premium feel to the touch. Attention to detail sets the CX-90 apart from its class. Stitching patterns are precise and purposeful. Panel gaps remain tight and consistent throughout the cabin. Even the fabric inserts on dashboard and door panels add visual interest without appearing gimmicky. Build quality exceeds expectations at every turn. Controls operate with satisfying precision. Switches and buttons feel substantial rather than flimsy. The overall assembly exhibits the kind of craftsmanship typically reserved for luxury brands like Lexus or Acura. Seating comfort reaches new heights across all 3 rows. Front seats provide excellent support for long-distance travel while offering multiple adjustment options. Second-row captain's chairs rival first-class airline seats in terms of comfort and convenience. Even the third row, often an afterthought in this segment, offers decent comfort for shorter trips. The dashboard design balances elegance with functionality. Clean lines create a sophisticated aesthetic without sacrificing practicality. Important controls remain easily accessible while secondary functions are logically organized. The overall effect creates an environment that feels more expensive than its price tag suggests. Tech-loaded cabin. Technology integration in the 2026 Mazda CX-90 strikes the perfect balance between advanced capability and user-friendly operation. The centerpiece is a massive 12.3-inch infotainment display that dominates the dashboard. Graphics are crisp and responsive, while menu navigation follows intuitive logic that minimizes learning curves. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity come standard across the lineup. The system maintains stable connections and offers full-screen functionality that makes smartphone integration seamless. Voice recognition works reliably, reducing the need for manual inputs while driving. Wireless charging capabilities eliminate cable clutter. The charging pad accommodates various phone sizes while maintaining reliable power delivery. Multiple USB ports throughout the cabin ensure all passengers can keep their devices charged during long trips. Safety technology represents a comprehensive approach to occupant protection. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Blind spot monitoring extends to cover the trailer zone when towing, while rear cross-traffic alert helps prevent parking lot incidents. Advanced features like traffic jam assist and lane change assist reduce driver fatigue during heavy traffic conditions. The surround view camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings, making tight parking situations less stressful. Driver attention monitoring ensures alertness during long drives, while safe exit assist prevents doors from opening into oncoming traffic. Fuel efficiency. Modern SUV ownership often means accepting poor fuel economy as an unavoidable compromise. The 2026 CX-90 challenges this assumption with powertrain options that deliver impressive efficiency without sacrificing performance. The plug-in hybrid variant addresses range anxiety and fuel costs simultaneously. With 323 combined horsepower, this system provides thrilling acceleration while achieving exceptional fuel economy. Electric-only range extends up to 26 miles, covering most daily commutes without burning a drop of gasoline. When the battery depletes, the system seamlessly transitions to hybrid operation, maintaining excellent efficiency. Charging capabilities make the plug-in hybrid practical for daily use. Standard Level 1 charging works with any household outlet, while available Level 2 charging reduces charging time significantly. The battery management system optimizes charging cycles to maximize long-term battery health. Traditional inline-6 engines offer their own efficiency advantages. The 280 horsepower base engine achieves 24 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. Impressive numbers for a 6-cylinder 3-row SUV. The more powerful 340 horsepower Turbo S variant maintains nearly identical fuel economy while delivering significantly more performance. Engine refinement sets these powertrains apart from turbocharged 4-cylinder alternatives. The inline-6 configuration provides inherently smooth operation with minimal vibration. Power delivery feels effortless across the entire rev range, making highway merging and mountain climbing stress-free experiences. Real-world efficiency often exceeds EPA estimates. The 48-volt mild hybrid system assists the engine during acceleration and enables extended engine-off coasting. Stop-start technology operates smoothly, shutting down the engine at traffic lights to save fuel without creating uncomfortable vibrations. Timeless aesthetics. Design trends come and go, but the 2026 CX-90 embodies the kind of timeless elegance that ages gracefully. Mazda's evolved Kodo design language strikes the perfect balance between contemporary appeal and enduring sophistication. The front fascia makes a bold statement without appearing aggressive. LED headlights integrate seamlessly with the signature grille design, creating a cohesive visual flow. Proportions remain balanced and athletic, avoiding the bulky appearance that plagues many 3-row SUVs. Side profile reveals careful attention to detail. Character lines create visual interest without appearing busy or overdone. The roofline slopes gently toward the rear, maintaining a coupe-like silhouette while preserving interior headroom. Wheel designs complement the overall aesthetic across all trim levels. Even base models feature attractive alloy wheels that enhance the premium appearance. Higher trims offer larger diameter options that fill the wheel wells perfectly without compromising ride quality. Color palette includes sophisticated options that highlight the design's best features. Soul Red Crystal Metallic remains a standout choice that showcases the sculpted bodywork beautifully. Machine Gray Metallic offers a more understated elegance, while Snowflake White Pearl provides classic appeal. Interior design philosophy mirrors the exterior's timeless approach. Clean lines and premium materials create an environment that won't feel dated in 5 or 10 years. Color combinations avoid trendy choices in favor of sophisticated palettes that maintain their appeal over time. Pricing and trim levels. Value proposition defines the 2026 CX-90's appeal in the competitive 3-row SUV segment. Multiple trim levels ensure there's an option for every budget and preference, while even base models come impressively equipped. The lineup starts with the 3.3 Turbo Select at approximately $38,000. Standard equipment includes 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, synthetic leather upholstery, and comprehensive safety features. This represents exceptional value compared to stripped-down base models from other manufacturers. Premium Sport trim at $46,000 includes 21-inch wheels, increased towing capacity, and the premium Bose audio system. Head-up display and panoramic sunroof add luxury touches typically reserved for higher-priced competitors. Range-topping Premium Plus delivers luxury car amenities for $49,600. Napa leather upholstery, ventilated seats, and second-row captain's chairs create a first-class experience. Advanced safety features like surround view cameras provide additional peace of mind. Turbo S variants start at around $53,000 with 340 horsepower and exclusive luxury features. Even at this price point, the CX-90 costs significantly less than comparable German luxury SUVs. Plug-in hybrid models will begin at $49,500, with government incentives potentially reducing costs further. But the CX-90 won't be the only mainstream-priced three-row SUV that can make any premium rival run for its money. Check out this video about the reasons why everyone should fear the 2026 Kia Telluride you can now see on the screen. Kia's three-row SUV is coming completely redesigned, and it will continue to push boundaries when it comes to what buyers are getting for their money.